Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to make a review on Patricia Reynier, the best way you can use it. Using Patricia Reynier body milk on its own will not lighten your skin. For you to use Patricia Reynier to lighten your skin, you have to activate it with the syrups. And use one syrup for one body milk will not lighten your skin. So to activate it, you might use two syrups to activate it to give you the perfect shade. Or you can also activate it with any lightening syrups that you have to make it more active. So that is all I have to say about Patricia Reynier. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to hear more about some lightening creams. Thank you. And the next in my channel, I will talk about Patricia Reynier tube, how it is and how effective it is. So that's all I have to say. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.